No Wi-Fi in your laptop or computer? Watch this video. I wanna let you know that how you can use USB cable, USB tethering to connect your internet, mobile internet. Yes, mobile internet in your laptop or computer without Wi-Fi, without Bluetooth, without any hassle. First of all, like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. As you can check out in front of you, I don't have internet right now. It's just showing you a no internet access. So what we can do, connect a USB cable to your laptop or computer, connect a USB micro USB type C or T, micro USB, connect on your mobile phone, go to the settings. Over there just go to the portable hotspot or just search USB tethering, this one, USB tethering, switch on, and voila, internet it started connecting. No internet access will go right now. And after that just check the internet speed. That's way you can easily connect internet to your laptop or computer. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friend, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon. Don't forget to comment down below you loved this video or not.